It's MC Monte in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monte. This month's theme, Power Rangers. We've been working on building our Green Ranger cosplay. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Green Ranger dragon shield, just like this one. Now this is my old Green Ranger shield. This was the first time I ever did a dragon shield. Today I'm going to show you a new, better technique to making your Green Ranger dragon shield. If you want to check out the other videos from this month, I'll link them in the description below. So gather your supplies and let's get to it. This is the part that nobody ever teaches. First thing we're going to do is learn how to make the pattern for your dragon shield. Any kind of paper or cardboard will be good to make this pattern. From your mark that's 4 inches out, you're going to draw a curve, just sketch a curved line to connect to that 10-inch mark and connect to that 18-inch mark. And we're going to cut that out, and that's going to be the neck. From this point, you just drew a 45-degree line that's 6 inches long, and you connected that to your 10-inch mark. From this point of the triangle, sketch a curved line that goes up to meet this point. That point is 12 inches away from your 14-inch mark. Now sketch a curve so those two lines meet. From this point to your 31.5-inch mark, continue to sketch a long extended curve to meet that point. Now when you sketch this curve, it's going to start to flatten out and take a direct line to that point. The next thing you want to do is cut this out. Cut out the neckline. Do not cut this line. It should look like 1/2 of a dragon shield. If I put this together, it looks like the whole dragon shield. The next thing you need to do is make patterns for your diamonds that go on top of your shield. Let's make the small diamond first. Then cut your triangle out. This is going to be the small diamond inside your dragon shield. Next, let's create the pattern for our larger diamond. And then connect your triangle. That's going to be the outside of the triangle. From this point of your triangle, mark a line that's 1 inch down. Cut it out. The next thing you're going to do is make a pattern for your arm bands. Before you draw your pattern, make a muscle and measure all around your bicep to see how long your pattern needs to be. The last thing you need to do for your dragon shield is to make the patterns for the arch designs that go on the top of the dragon shield. So we have 4 patterns to make. Draw a line that is 24.5 inches long. Put a mark at 15 inches. From that mark, draw a line that is 6 inches long. When you're done, you're going to have 4 patterns that look like so. I'm using 4mm EVA foam for the base of the dragon shield. Trace out your pattern and cut it out. The next thing you want to do is draw your Green Ranger symbols in your small inside diamond and carve them out. Softly carve them out and then hit it with the heat gun. Later, you're going to paint your markings black. Take your armbands, heat seal them, prime them, then paint them gold. Before you glue all the parts down to your dragon shield, trim and sand the edges of these pieces as needed. Lay them out to make sure they fit in place. Make sure you have about a ½ inch left on each side so we can add the collar later. Now glue them into place. Next, let's make a pattern for your collar. Using scrap EVA foam and velcro, make a closing for the back of your dragon shield. Now your dragon shield is complete. Now it's time to prime it and paint it gold. After you're done painting the shield gold and it dries, paint the inside black and paint the designs on your diamond black. And there you have it. Your very own Green Ranger Dragon Shield and armbands are complete. Yeah. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment below. How did your Green Ranger Dragon Shield turn out? I'd love to see it. Yeah. Mine turned out great. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. Oh yeah, it's Morphin time!